Drift AI Engagement App. The pros, the cons. If your business wants to generate leads faster and engage visitors in real time, Drift AI Engagement might seem like the ultimate solution. But is it really worth it? Let's break it down. On the positive side, Drift excels at conversational marketing with AI-powered chatbots and real-time messaging. Its standout feature is the ability to qualify leads instantly, route them to the right sales reps, and even schedule meetings automatically. Many companies report faster response times, higher lead conversion rates, and improved engagement thanks to Drift's AI workflows. Another advantage is seamless integration with CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot, making sure all conversations and data stay in sync. However, there are drawbacks. Pricing can be steep for growing teams, and AI chatbots sometimes misinterpret complex inquiries requiring human follow-up. Another limitation is that while Drift automates engagement, it doesn't replace the need for strategic marketing campaigns. The quality of messaging and targeting still matters. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI chatbots alone drive leads. The surprising truth is that engagement works best when AI and human sales reps work together to nurture prospects effectively. In conclusion, Drift AI Engagement App is a powerful tool for businesses seeking faster lead qualification, improved customer interactions, and real-time engagement. It saves time, boosts conversion rates, and integrates with key systems. But to maximize results, teams need strategy, oversight, and human collaboration. For businesses ready to blend AI and human engagement, Drift can be a game changer.